Greetings and salutations, welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica, guys. And I don't know Jamaican people in the building. So to all my returning residents, thank you so much. I truly appreciate the continued support. And to the persons who are first tuning into my channel, I hope you do enjoy your stay and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. Today's video is going to be me unboxing and giving my first impression on two fragrances. One is from the house of Mansera and the fragrance is called Tonka Cola, and the other one is Mizani Wave. And this one, guys, I've heard crazy thing about this one, so I'm excited. The other fragrance I'll be talking about is Afnan 9 AM Dive. Yo, this one, guys, is freaking remarkable, guys. So if you're interested in content like that, guys, keep on watching. First fragrance I want to touch on is going to be Afnan 9 AM Dive. Guys, the bottle fits perfectly in my hand, so that is something I want to give them credit for as well. This presentation is easily 10 out of 10. Yo, nature is naturing right now. If I have a slingshot, I'm shooting. So this one, to my nose, this is definitely what the blue fragrances would definitely be represented by. It's versatile, it's clean, it's fresh. You do get hints of Bleu de Chanel in this one, which is the eau de toilette concentration. Also, I get a mixture of also the YSL Y. I believe they have said that it was a combination of 4 different fragrances, and there is a nice mintiness in this one as well. It opens up bright, citrusy. There's a sweetness in it, there's a mintiness in it, and then it dries down to a nice, smooth, calm, earthy undertone. This one, the performance on this one, I get easily over 8 hours. I tested it on my skin and I was very surprised that this one performs perfectly well. This would be fitting in the tropics. If you live somewhere that is very humid, this would be perfect for you. You can easily overspray on this one and it will not offend anyone. I find it to be very wearable. I find it to be very likable, and I find it to be a mass appealing scent as well. So all in all, I will give Afnan 9 AM Dive 10 out of 10. I would easily recommend this one in anyone's collection. So next up is going to be one that I'm anticipating to going to be a banger. This one is Mizani Wave. I don't know much about this fragrance. It was recommended to me by a friend and it was loaned to me by a friend as well. So I'm just going to do my unboxing and first impression. This is not a full in-depth review. It's just to tell you what I get from it and if I would definitely wear this one based on my first impression. So the box, you guys can see, first freaking impression. First impression is not always accurate, guys, in terms of judging the fragrance, but in my experience it is one that works for me. So I am going to test this fragrance. Ooh, the bottle, nice. Another blue bottle. I wonder this is going to be another blue fragrance, but damn, Mizani Wave. The cap seems to be magnetic. That's good, so you can pick it up by the cap. Mizani Wave, what should I expect from this one? If you have tried it before, comment down below and let me know if you like it, guys. And as always, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Now let me tell you guys what I think about this scent. Not smelling it from the sprayer, so let me go ahead and put it on my skin. Skin is best. Ooh, the sprayer is not bad. Ooh, shit. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. Whoa. Bumbleclad. Yo, if you love fresh fragrance, this one, and it also smells a bit aquatic, but not like an egg-shaped aquatic. Yo, this is freaking nice, and I know that there's some vanilla in this one. There's a nice creamy texture to this one as well. Yo, this smells so freaking good. Based on first impression, I would definitely give this a try. Ooh, I think I'm gonna rock this one today because I need to get a feel of this one, but this smells so freaking good. Based on the first impression, I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Easily a 10 out of 10 based on the first impression. I'm not sure how it performs, I'm not sure it dries down, I don't know much about the fragrance, so I'm just giving you guys my first impression. If you have tried it, comment below and that would be very helpful. Next is going to be one of my favorite houses, Mancera. I own probably about 10 bottles of Mancera by now. This is probably about the 11th one. So I'm eagerly excited about this one. I've never owned a 60 ml bottle, so I'm going to see exactly how this one looks, and then I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I think about the scent as well. This is a Tonka Cola, so I am super excited. I've seen a lot of reviewers compare this one to Roja Dove's Creation E, and also to, I believe it's a Guerlain Ideal Parfum, if memory serves me correctly. I'm not sure. So as always, a standard presentation, the black box with most of them. It should comes in a pouch, so the pouch is just that the bottle might be a little bit slimmer than the usual. Probably it's on a weight loss program, I'm not sure. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about the bottle, guys. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about the bottle design. I think it could look a little bulkier, but really and truly it is what it is. Mancera, as always, either magnetic cap or screw cap. Can pick it up by the cap, which is good. But this, fuck. Hold on, guys. Ooh, pressurized atomizer, guys. Pardon my French, guys. Yo, this one, unbelievable. Yo, this reminds me of the big red bubblegum, the one that has the peppermint sweetness. That's what I'm getting from this one. It does not give me any reminiscent vibes of the Roja Dove, neither does it give me of the Guerlain, but this one, guys, it does have a powdery undertone to it that I'm getting. I'm not sure if that is where they compare it to the Guerlain, because it has a powdery accord as well. But shit, it more reminds me of Fève Délicieuse from that's Dior, but not in its entirety. You get what I'm saying? But really and truly, guys, this one is freaking insane. Wow. Yo, this one smells fantastic. This is a 20 out of 10 in my opinion, guys. This, I like scent profile like this one. I'm not sure, well, I'm not even gonna say I'm not sure about the performance, because it's Mancera. Mancera fragrances, they never lack in performance in my opinion. Projection, they don't lack in projection neither, and compliment factor, they never disappoint as well. So all in all, I'm gonna give this one 20 out of 10 as well. So the Afnan got 10 out of 10, the Maisonne Wave got 10 out of 10, the Mancera Tonka Cola got 20 out of 10, guys. If you enjoy this review, guys, I want you just to comment down below. Let me know which one of the fragrances you have tried. Let me know what you think about it. Also, like the video, guys, and please share the video as well and subscribe. Thank you so much. I am your boy Ja, also known as Mr. Smell Good. Peace. I am out.